Hi Roger, here is Ali. So here I'm going to talk about my part in the buggy project. So my part was to find the siren light, a circuit for the siren light. So at first we decided to combine between the siren light and the siren sound in one circuit, and we have already found one, this one. But the issue was that it needed a higher voltage, and we are only provided with 9 volt voltage. So what we have done, we decided to separate them. So I have found another one, which was only for the signal light, using two 555 timers. Uh, and actually, the first part went very well, but when we combined the two LED lights together, it didn't work. So we went to a simpler circuit, this one, and this was the final one in the project. And also in terms of the design, uh, this was the expectations. We expected it to be like a fire truck, and the reality was uh, quite good. Uh, so this is was the final uh, layout of the buggy project with small touch. Thank you.